Welcome to the Whimsical Workshop. We have an unboxing to do today from S&S Handcrafted, and I'm going to share what's in the box and why we got it. Let's get started.
Yay!
So I got this box from S&S Handcrafted. I did not pay for this one, but my opinions about it are mine. They reached out to me a few months ago and asked for us to do a custom pattern for their box, and that's why I have one here to share with you and to talk about it. S&S Handcrafted is an Etsy store, and I will put the link below for that if you're interested in her boxes. It looks like they come out several times a year, and they are always Halloween themed, which I think is pretty cool. It separates them from other people, and if you love Halloween as much as I do, you can never get enough of Halloween. So the boxes do retail for $64.99, and I pulled up her information online because, again, I didn't order this one. Each box will include 3 half-yard cuts or 6 fat quarters or a combination of the two. So it looks like you will get 1.5 yards of fabric, either with fat quarters or half yards or mixed. Then you get a pattern with all the items needed to complete the project, which I think is a definite bonus, and some fun extras in the box. So you're getting a full project, you're getting 1.5 yards of fabric, and then you're getting some other stuff. I haven't opened this up yet, so let's open it up and take a look at it and see what we've got in the box. So there's a note in the box for me, and this is just letting me know that this is the October 21 stash box. So if you do go to the link and you're interested in this box, that's on her Etsy store. And that the 2022 stash boxes will be available at S&S Handcraftedllc at Etsy. So go take a look if you like what we've got. So let's see what the goodies are in the box. So first up, we have a stack of fabric, and we're going to take a look at those. So they're obviously all Halloween themed. How cool is this one? This one is portraits, Halloween portraits. And this is from Blank Quilting's Thriller Night collection. So you could fussy cut these guys. You could do them as a border. I'm pretty sure I probably designed a quilt with this fabric because we do design most of Blank Quilting's projects. But I never actually get to see the fabric, so it's kind of nice to see actual fabric instead of just digital files. Then we've got a black and white polka dot. This is from Cotton and Steel. So this is just a basic that you could use for anything that goes well with that portrait. Oh, look at this one. How cute is this? This one I have not seen before, and unfortunately there's no company name on this one because I got the other half of the salvage. But how adorable is that? With the little ghost dress and the cat on the fence. If you do like this print and want to know more about it, I can reach out to Carrie and ask her who manufactured it, but there's nothing on here to tell me. And you could tell this has got glow-in-the-dark paint on it as well. So that's a fat quarter. This one's a fat quarter. This was a 1/2 yard, and then, oh, how cool are these? So this is pirate skull, well, they're skull and crossbones. I'll call them pirate skulls. And this is a Tim Holtz fabric from Free Spirit Fabrics, and that's a 1/2 yard of that one. So very, very nice Halloween fabrics, and they do mix well. They all have the same kind of cream feel to them. I don't know if I'd use them all on the same project. These two for sure, and then maybe these two. But I don't know, it's just fun to have some Halloween fabrics to pull from, so that's what those are. Now this is the part we did. We did a quilt called Lightning Strikes for Hoffman Fabrics using this huge panel of lightning. It was just a very, very cool panel, and we turned it into a, I don't know the correct name, but the electric balls put your hands on and the electricity jumps up. And she saw that and asked if we could come up with a pillow that would also work. So that is our Lightning Strikes Again pillow pattern. And what we had her do is take the panel, which is right here, and cut it into quarters so you still get enough lightning to be able to fussy cut it for your pillow. Because you don't need this big 42-inch panel, you just needed a small square of it. So what she did is in the box is this pattern, and look at that, all of the fabrics exactly like I used them for the pillow. Now I haven't actually made this pillow because this was a digital image, so I will probably use this kit and make this up and show it to you when we're done. But it's super fun. There's half square triangle border around the outer edge. Let's see here. There's half square triangle borders around the edge, a stripe, and then this very, very simplistic applique in the middle. And again, we've got all of these beautiful batiks from Hoffman Fabrics. And there's everything in there, the back, the front, the panel, and the applique pieces. So that was our contribution to this box. I hope you liked it. But that is that project. So we've got Halloween fabrics, we've got the pillow pattern and kit, and then we've got a mystery package. Let's see what's in here. Doesn't feel like fabric, so. Oh, look. Oh, how cute is this? All right, let's get this out of the way. Let's see what we got here. We have a glow stick wand that if I crack, it'll glow. I'm not going to crack it right now. A Halloween pack of tissues, because who can't use those? Look at this. It's a huge thimble, but it's a cup. So I could drink out of it. How cool is that? Thimble craft container. And it's very, very pretty. It's iridescent. I will definitely be using that over here on my thing. And then we got this little trick-or-treat coffin box. And there's something in it. And we got some gummy bears. Oh, my favorite. A watermelon blow pop. And a sour apple blow pop. Oh, look at this pencil. Oops, let's focus. Focus here. It's a quilting pencil, and it says, if it's still ugly, you just didn't cut it small enough. How cute is that pencil? Sorry about the focus on my camera, I'm still learning that. Very, very cool. And then what is something else in here? Oh, look at the bottom of the box. Little coffin guy. Okay, so this has a little, oh, it's a magnet. Oh, this is a Libs Elliott Sew Tight magnet. If I can get it off of here. They're so strong I can't get it off the tissue paper. Okay, come on. All right, oh, here, just slide it. There we go. So you can use these magnets. I have some that are just rectangles. This one happens to be, there we go. This one happens to be Liv Elliott's logo. She is a designer, and so this is a magnet that you can peel the back off of, and you can use it to layer things and hold them together. Again, I have some rectangle ones that you can use to layer your quilt, or you can, I use them to put pockets on bags. I'll use the magnets to hold the pocket in place as I sew around, but that's really cool that I got a very cute Libs Elliott one. And then, oh, look at this. Craft scissors. You can never have enough of these little scissors around. Look how tiny those are. And then you get the medium pair. So lots of goodies in this box. Lots and lots of goodies. So again, let's just recap. We've got the adorable little coffin box with 2 pairs of scissors, the super cute quilting pencil, some candy, a Libs Elliott Sew Tight magnet, a glow stick, and a awesome thimble cup, which I love. So that's all in there. Oh, and the tissues. Don't forget the tissues. So you get a whole little thing of goodies. You got an entire kit, which I can tell you this pattern retails for $12, and these fabrics are not cheap fabrics. They're all Hoffman Batiks. So you're getting the entire kit for the pillow, and on top of that, you're getting some mixed Halloween fabrics. So all in all, I think that is a really fun box. It kind of touches on both my things, which is one, it is a complete kit that I can finish. I don't have to go buy fabric for it. There are some fun notions in here that I can definitely see myself using. And then you also get an array of fabrics, which are super, super fun to play with. If you are interested in this stash box, you can go to the link below to check out her Etsy store. Again, all of her boxes are Halloween themed, which to me is kind of fun. If you really, really love Halloween, no matter what the fabric is, it's gonna at least hit one of your favorite things. Where a typical subscription box that's just a generic subscription box, you don't know what you're going to get from month to month. Fabric wise, you may get florals, you may get modern, you may get batiks, but with this one, no matter what you're getting, it's Halloween, which again, I love the holiday because you don't really have to do a whole lot and you get candy. So with all that being said, I do think it's well worth the money. It is a very nicely done kit. It's very well packaged, and again, everything in it is stuff I would use. So I would give this one a thumbs up. If you have any comments on anything, leave them below. As always, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when we do a video. And until next time, have a good night.